kids, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your library class. Students, today in this class, I will narrate you a story from your all-time favorite stories book. Kids, do you know that stories play a vital role in the growth and development of us? The books that we read and the characters that we get to know from these books became our good friends. The books are a useful source of information, and good reading skills are important for our success in life. Kids, in this class, I will narrate you the story The Crow and the Monkey from your library book. In this session, first of all, I will tell you the story and later we will discuss all the difficult words. After that, we will read the story with you. Now let's proceed. Kids, this is an interesting story of a crow and a lazy monkey. Once upon a time, there was a huge banyan tree in the forest. On this tree, a crow lived with his family happily in its nest. A lazy monkey also lived on the same banyan tree. The monkey neither had a family nor he had a home for himself. One day it rained very heavily. The strong winds blew. The crow protected himself and its family by taking shelter in the cozy nest. The monkey had no place to go. He began shivering in the cold night. The crow felt pity for the monkey. The crow advised the monkey to build a house for himself. He further told him stop being lazy and build a home for himself. On hearing this, the monkey became annoyed. He tore off a branch from the tree and began to beat at the crow's nest. The nest broke into pieces and the eggs fell down. The poor crow's babies fell to the ground and got soaked in the rain. The crow flew away and took shelter on the another tree. The crow wept bitterly over the loss of its eggs. So kids, what do we learn from this story? We learn that it is better not to advise others in their personal matters. Now kids, we will discuss difficult words of this story. First word is dense. Dense means thick. Thick, thick. Next word is family. Family means group of people living together. Next, strong. Strong means powerful. Powerful. Next word is thick. Thick means hard. Hard. Next word is sturdy. Sturdy. Sturdy means strong. Strong. Next word is lazy. Lazy means inactive. Next word is sparing. Sparing means leaving. Leaving. Next word is weather. Weather means condition of air. Next word is protected. Protected means saved. Saved. Next word is furry. Furry means anger. Anger. Next word is vigorously. Vigorously means forcibly. Forcibly. Next word is fellow. Fellow means mates. Mates. Next word is stout. 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 Stout means fat. Next word is beautiful. Beautiful means pretty. 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 Next word is aimlessly. Aimlessly means without any reason. Next word is wandering. Wandering means moving. 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 Next word is annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. 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 Next word is foolish. Foolish means silly. 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 Next word is advice. Advice means suggestion. Suggestion. Next word is etiquettes. Etiquette means way of behaving. Next word is bitterly. Bitterly means badly. Badly. Now kids, let's start reading the story. The Crow and the Monkey. Long, long ago, there was a big banyan tree in a dense jungle. Underline the word dense. Dense means thick. In this banyan tree, there lived a crow with his family. Underline the word family. Family means group of people living together. They had a beautiful and strong nest on a thick and sturdy branch of the tree. Underline the word strong. Strong means powerful. Underline the word thick. Thick means hard. Underline the word sturdy. Sturdy means strong. On the same tree lived a very lazy monkey. Underline the word lazy. Lazy means inactive. He had no house of his own to live in. Sometimes he would sleep on one branch and sometimes on the other. Kids, in this paragraph, we have read that once upon a time there was a huge banyan tree in the thick forest. On this tree, a crow lived with his family in its cozy nest. A lazy monkey also lived on a same tree. The monkey neither had a family nor he had a home for himself. Kids, let's read further. Once it started raining very heavily. The weather became very bad and there was thunder and lightning. Underline the word weather. Weather means condition of air. Strong cold winds blew. The rain had washed off almost everything, sparing not an inch of space on the ground. Underline the word sparing. Sparing means leaving. While the crow's family protected itself from the fury of the rain by taking shelter inside the nest, the monkey could not find any safe place for himself. Underline the word protected. Protected means saved. Underline the word fury. Fury means anger. He began to shiver vigorously in the cold night. Underline the word vigorously. Vigorously means forcibly. Kids, in this paragraph, we have read that one day it rained heavily. The strong winds blew. The rain washed away everything. The crow protected himself and its family in the cozy nest. The monkey began to shiver in the cold night. Now kids, let's read further. The crow watched the monkey helplessly the whole night. The next morning, the crow went near him and said, "Poor fellow." Underline the word fellow. Fellow means mates. Even though you are stout and healthy, you never built a house for yourself. Underline the word stout. Stout means fat. Look at us. We have a beautiful and strong nest to protect ourselves from the fury of the rain and storm. Underline the word beautiful. Beautiful means pretty. Why don't you build a house for yourself instead of wandering around aimlessly and shifting from one branch to the other in a lazy manner? Underline the word wandering. Wandering means moving. Underline the word aimlessly. Aimlessly means without any reason. God has given you two hands. Make use of them. The monkey, hearing the crow's words, became very annoyed. Underline the word annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. He said, "You foolish black crow, how dare you advise me and teach me the do's and don'ts of my life?" Underline the word foolish. Foolish means silly. Underline the word advice. Advice means suggestion. You have lost your sense of etiquettes. Underline the word etiquettes. Etiquettes means way of behaving. I must teach you how to behave with others. Saying so, the monkey angrily tore off a branch from the tree, began to beat at the crow's nest, and threw it on the ground. The nest was broken into pieces, and the eggs fell down upon the rain soaked ground. The crows somehow flew away and took shelter on the other branch. They wept bitterly over the loss of their eggs. Underline the word bitterly. Bitterly means badly. In this, we have read that the crow felt pity for the monkey. The crow advised the monkey to build a house for himself. The crow told him for not being lazy and built a home for himself. On hearing this, the monkey became annoyed. He tore off a branch from the tree and began to beat at the crow's nest. The nest broke down into pieces and the eggs fell down. The poor crow's babies fell on the ground and got soaked in the rain. The crow flew away and took shelter on the other tree. The crow wept bitterly over the loss of its eggs. Now, kids, I will discuss cross questions related to this story with you. First question is, where did the crow live? Answer is, the crow lived on a banyan tree. Second question is, why was it a difficult night? Answer is, it was a difficult night because it was raining heavily. Third question is, what made the crow feel pity for the monkey? Answer is, the crow felt pity for the monkey because the monkey was getting soaked in the rain. Fourth question is, why did the monkey got angry? Answer is, the monkey got angry because the crow advised him to stop being lazy and build a home for himself. Fifth question is, what is the moral of the story? Answer is it is better not to advise others in their personal matters. Kids, I hope you all have understood this story. Thank you.